Good morning, class. Today you're going to be doing a web quest on the Civil War. In order to do the web quest, you first need to access my web page. If you do not have it already bookmarked in your folder up on your bookmark bar, please type it in, and you can also find that on the sheet of paper. It's mrskahl.wix.com/calsclassroom. Once you get to the web page, you then are going to 5th grade, and then you're selecting the Civil War web quest. Now that you're on the web quest page, you can scroll down, and the first steps are to put your name, first name, last name, and then select your homeroom teacher and put today's date. Now here, this section is extremely important that you read carefully. This web quest is an individual graded assignment. Students must ensure they read and follow all of the directions and turn in their completed web quest papers when they have finished. There are 30 questions, so use your time wisely. You are to only use history.com to locate your answers, and here is the URL. So you have the option, you can continue this way, or you can ask for the paper pencil form and do it that way. But first, open this link. It's going to be the only link that you need to do the web quest. So click here, and you'll notice it is opening up above, and you can move between the web quest and history.com now to complete it. So click on Civil War Web Quest tab and click Continue. Now, I am not going to put in any of the correct answers right now because I'm using this page as an example. You'll go to the Civil War page as it loads, and you can look here for all your information. You are not at all to use this search area. That's not going to help you. To do this web quest, you actually have to read. Now, to find your answers for this web quest, you will have to be exploring all of these buttons, and then you can scroll down. There are also these buttons down and below, and use any of the tabs that are related. So this is where you want to look. You do not have to click any of these up here. None of these tabs will you need. All you need is this entire section. So you will explore it and find your answers to the web quest. Now, if you're satisfied with it and you know the information, you can start beginning your web quest. However, when you come to the time to stop in class, you're going to need to know how to save it in case you are not finished. So right now, I have filled in all of my answers, because if you don't, if I leave an answer blank and I click on Continue, it's going to tell you this is a required question, so you must have an answer in there. Now, to finish later, you check your box, click on Continue. You are then taken to the final page when you click that, and we hit Submit. And now you have where you can save your answers. If you read, it says your responses have been recorded. To edit later, right click, that's using the right button on your mouse, and on Edit Your Responses and select Save Link As and save in your H drive. So I'm going to right click here. I have this menu, the menu pops up, my dialog box. I'm going to click on Save Link As. Now I have a picture of all my network drives. Since I'm on my personal computer, I will be able to save it. You will be looking over on this side to find your H drive where it says your name, and then you'll find a place to save it. So I have there. Now change your file, click on where you would like it at, the folder. Then change your file name so you know what it's for. Then click Save. Once you're done that, you know you have it where it's at, where you should be, so you can go back to it another. Now, if you want to check that you actually saved it properly in the right spot, you can open up your folder view, click on your name, so you're in your H drive, click where you think you saved it, and you should see the Chrome icon, or if you saved it with Firefox, the Firefox icon, and then the name of your file. This is the document that you will be able to come back to later so that you can complete your web quest. You also have another option in order to save your responses for editing later. You can click on Edit Your Response with the left mouse button, and it's going to open up your responses that you've submitted already, along with the link up here that you can save. But don't share this link because this is just for you. But now that you're on this page, you can then come over to the top if you're on Chrome and you are. You'll click the star, it'll turn yellow, and then you can bookmark it and put it onto your bookmark bar so you will be able to see it and edit it for later. Enjoy the web quest, use your time wisely, and see how much you can get done today. Remember, there are 30 questions to do.